About you, but I'm really excited about this new Superman movie that premieres in theaters next week. You'll remember it was shot here in Cleveland last summer. Ahead of the film's release, though, a world traveler and photographer is focusing his lens on the land. Jefferson Graham hosts and produces Photowalks for Scripps News. Graham uses a smartphone to showcase the most photographable places around the globe. Well, I caught up with him in the Larchmere neighborhood when he was in Cleveland.
I think Cleveland is an underrated, beautiful city. I'm amazed by the Art Deco buildings downtown. Many of the old line classic cities just tore that stuff down and got rid of it. And I love that Cleveland, respects its history. I love these neighborhoods.
The neighborhoods are great. Photo Walks with Jefferson Graham airs Sundays on Scripps News. That Cleveland episode is scheduled to air this Sunday morning, July 6th at 10 o'clock. You can watch through the Scripps News app or website. You might see me, too.